My reflections on the Future Generation Forum so far, really it's a very dynamic group of people. I really like how many young people are involved, giving fresh ideas. And I think one of the key things that we've done in the forum so far is taken practical examples from the Welsh experience and try to apply them to some of the big questions facing the world today.
Wow, the Future Generations Forum has been brilliant, and we have come together to say how can we turbocharge and really boost a high ambition commitment for the Summit of the Future in the UN by learning from Wales.
Wales is the go-to country when thinking about these issues because it has taken the step of trying to integrate the idea of intergenerational justice into public policy. I think that the model of the Future Generations Commissioner and everything around it is one that we can all look to, that we can learn from everything that's gone right and also learn from the challenges.
The Wales Commissioner for Future Generations is incredible. Not only is it putting forward sort of principles of protection for future generations based on the Sustainable Development Goals and the well-being goals that are in the Act, but it's also looking at statistical indicators of well-being in Wales society and seeing how the work of the Future Generations Commission can impact on those.
Taking action for future generations is taking action for ourselves today. And I think understanding that they're one and the same thing is important. When we talk about the future, that is the timeline that we're growing into and the timeline that we're producing for ourselves. So thinking about what we can do sustainably just means we're more likely to be resilient as humanity going forward. And I think really trying to get past the dichotomy of we can either act for today or act for tomorrow, but actually we're just acting in sustainable ways.
The message that I will share with member states and the co-facilitators of the Declaration of Future Generations is that we have an opportunity to make it meaningful, and we can only make it meaningful if we include the implementation mechanisms needed, so that it's not only normative principles, but also ways in which either through institutions or reviews, we can make sure that things are being followed up.